Okay, hello and good day everyone, no? So today we'll discuss about the area theorem of a sector naman, no? Area theorem of a sectors, no? The area of a sector whose arc measure A is given by the formula area of a sector or A sub S equal to A over by 360 degrees times pi r squared, where your r here is the radius of the circle. Okay? So example this one. What is the area of the sector of circle E, no? With a central angle MET, no, and then measure of arc MT is 40 degrees. Then the radius is R. So what is the area of a sector? So ang area of the sector ito, no? Hahanapin natin yung area nito. Okay? So ilan yan? By using this formula, substitute, no? Your A here to 40 degrees over by 360 degrees times pi. Your R here is 3, so R squared here. We get the lowest term 40 over by 360, that is 1/9. Then pi times your r squared is 9, so 9 pi. Okay, 1 times 9 pi is, or simply cancel out, we have pi here. Okay, 1 times pi is pi. Okay, so the area here is pi. Next, number 2, example this one. Okay, so find the area of the sector here, no? So we have arc YPR, no, with the measure of 240 degrees, and then the radius is 5. Okay, substitute. Now your A here is 240, then yung R natin is 5. Get the lowest term, 240 over by 360, that is 2/3. 5 squared is 25 pi. 2 times 25 is 50 pi over by 3. So ito yung magiging area of the sector. Itong may shaded part na to. Okay, yan ang area niya. Okay. Next, find the radius of the circle if the measure of the arc is 40 degrees and the area of a sector is 18 pi. Okay. So hanapin natin ito yung radius given na yung area at saka yung measure of the arc. Okay? Now substitute, your area of the sector is 18 pi, yung A natin is 40 degrees, yung R natin is unknown. Get the lowest term of 40 over by 360, that is 1/9, no? And then cross multiply natin to 18 pi times 9. Ano, 1 times pi r squared is pi r squared. Then 18 pi times 9 here equal to pi r squared. So 9 times 18 is 162. Have 162 equal to, cancel this out, r squared. Then get the square root of both sides. What is the square root of 162? Okay, that is 162. So that is the radius. Okay. Next, in the circle, the radius is 6 and the sector has an area of 4 pi. What is the degree measure of an arc of the sector? So this time naman, missing naman yung measure of an arc, no? Given the area of the sector. Yung area of the sector natin is 4 pi, and then yung radius natin is 6, no? 6 squared is 36. Then A times 36 pi is 36 pi A over by 360. Then cross multiply tayo, 4 pi, no. Lowest term muna, 36 over by 360. The lowest term is 1 over by 10. So we have pi A over by 10 degrees. Then cross multiply na tayo. 4 pi times 10 pi, 10 degrees is equal to 40 degrees pi. Then divide both sides by pi. Cancel this out. Cancel this out. Then we have your A is 40 degrees. Okay. Okay. So that's it, no? Let us have an exercise naman. The radius of a circle is 16. Find the area of which sector whose arc has the given degree measure. Hanapin natin yung area of the sector here. Given that the radius is 16, then yung here for number 1, yung measure of arc natin is 180 degrees. Now substitute your A to 180, your R to 16. So here, lowest term of 180 over by 360, that is 1/2. 16 squared is 256. 1 times 256 divided by 2 is 128 pi for the area of the sector here. Okay? Paano nakuha ang 128? 1 times 256 is 256. Divided by 2 is 128. Next, what about naman yung measure of arc DF natin is 70? Again, using this formula, no? Substitute your A to 70, yung R natin to 16. Get the lowest term, 70 over by 360. That is 7 over by 36. The square of 16 is 256. No? 7 times 256 is 1,792. Divided by 36, that would be equal to 448 pi over by 9. So, hindi divisible by 36 yung 1,792. But, we get the lowest term, no? 448 pi over by 9. Okay? Then now, for number 3, solve the following, the given problem. In a circle with radius of 4, what is the degree measure of the arc whose area of the sector is 92 pi over by 9? So, given yung radius tsaka yung area of the circle, ang hahanapin natin is yung degree measure of the arc. Here, substitute your area of sector, which is 92 pi over by 9, yung radius natin to 4. Okay? 4 squared is 16, then A times 16 pi is 16 pi A. Then now, pwede natin kunin yung lowest term, no? We have 92 pi over by 9 equal to, yung 16 over by 316 natin, naging 4 over by 90. Then cross multiply tayo. 92 pi times 90 degrees equal to 9 times 4 pi A. So 92 times 90 is 8,280 degrees pi equal to 9 times 4 is 36 pi A. Divide both sides by 36 pi. Sama natin yung pi kasi A lang naman ang kailangan natin. Okay? So 8,280 divided by 36 is equal to 230 degrees. Cancel this out. We have your A here is 230 degrees. Okay? So that's it. Okay, thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay? So that's all. Goodbye and God bless.